Ned, no look pass inside, nawala ang bola. Carlos, sinubukan pa rin. Pelayo pulls it down. Pagkakataong muli, dumikit ng team KB. LeBron James.
LeBron James from price tag.
10 na lang to. 59-49. Aktub tumitingin sa loob. Poy Aktub will soar in for 2.
Poy Aktub.
Balik kay Baklaan ng bola. Kian, left hand finish, no good. That was short. Ned will go all the way. That's another 2 points.
Ned.
1 minuto na lang natitira sa ating first half. Tira galing sa labas. Aktub. Oh, he's gonna go for the dunk here. Look out below.
Poy Aktub.
Raise the roof. Nadulas sa bola. Ito na naman, Team Malupiton. Dunk na naman to. Woo! Joe, you can go for the dunk yourself. Let's go, Joe. Come on, Joe. Ned, ikaw rin. Dunk 10, Ned. Ned, dunk 10. You know. Let's go. Ned another 2 points. Nakakarami na siya dito sa second quarter. Baklaan susubok din. Kian Baklaan!
Poy Aktub. At the end of the first half, the score at 69-51. Lamang ang Team Malupiton.